Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Since I've been sharing my journey trading my funded account with the 5%ers, I've been receiving quite a few comments from you guys about different trading prop firms. And in this video I'm going to talk a little bit more about the trading prop firm Audacity Capital. So stick around if you want to learn more about Audacity Capital and their Funded Trader Program. Before I jump onto the computer and talk about rules and the Funded Trader Program in particular, first I just want to share what makes Audacity Capital different from the other prop firms out there. And that is that they give you an account from day one and you don't have to complete a challenge or a verification. You're simply entering straight into trading your account and adhering to their rules. What does this mean exactly? Well, with most prop firms, you have a challenge or a verification, which in particular means that you have deadlines that you must adhere to in terms of your trading profits and your goals. So for example, with the 5%ers, you have so many months to meet their goals that they set you. And that's the same with FTMO. When you join FTMO for their challenge, you have 30 days to hit their profit target and to meet their goals to progress onto the next stage. While Audacity Capital are different in that they don't give you any deadlines or any goals that you need to reach. As well as this, their other main point where they differ from other prop firms is the way that you actually pay for the account. So with Audacity Capital, when you join them, you pay a one-off fee to join. And then in addition to that, you are paying a monthly subscription fee to cover the costs of your account. Now this could be both a positive and a negative. Some people might not want to have a monthly subscription to pay while they are trading. Whereas it can be a positive because if you want to be able to trade and really take your time with having no pressures, no profit targets that you need to meet, but you want to trade a funded account still, this might be the option for you because it allows you to follow their risk management rules but not have to reach so high, not have to meet any targets or deadlines to be able to keep your account. So let's explore the Funded Trader Program in more detail. Here's a really descriptive table to give you some more information. And the first step to understand with Audacity Capital is, once again, they differ from other trading companies because other trading prop firms will give you multiple options in terms of account size when you join. So you might start off with the smallest account, which is also the cheapest option, or the most expensive account and pay a little bit more. Whereas Audacity Capital start everybody on the same page and your starting balance is $15,000. But it's not limited to $15,000. With Audacity Capital, when you are trading your account, every time that you hit 10% profit on your account, they will double your account. It's also when you hit 10% profit that they will allow you to withdraw your profits and also take their profits, and they offer a 50-50 profit split. So $15,000 might sound like a small amount to start with for a trading account with a prop firm, but knowing that every time you hit 10%, your account size is going to double, this provides a lot of growth in your account that you've not got to pay any extra fees for. So let's say that from 15,000 you hit your 10% target and then your account is doubled to 30,000. After you make another 10%, it's doubled again to 60,000, which once again after you hit 10% profit is doubled to 120,000. This will continue when you hit your profit target again of 10% to 240,000. And then the final time this will happen is when you hit your profit target once again of 10%, they will double your account to $480,000, which is the maximum account size that you can have with Audacity Capital. So overall there is a lot of room for growth. So that's the way that the growth program works, but what about the rules? Well, let's check them out. So firstly, looking at the lot size or the buying power, they actually have a 1-to-5 leverage, so it is quite low compared to other companies, which means that with $15,000 account, your max lot size is going to be 0.5 lots. But every time your account is doubled once you reach your 10% target, the buying power will also increase and double along with that. Audacity do offer a drawdown limit because obviously every prop firm have to manage their risk on their accounts, and their drawdown limit is 10%, so there is quite a nice range there of drawdown. As with other prop firms, if you hit your max drawdown limit, then your account is basically void and you'd have to repeat the process again and pay another fee to start a new account with them. Now, although there are no hard goals or deadlines in terms of targets, the generic profit target that they say is 10% because you're only going to get paid once you hit 10%, and then of course they will take their profit split and your account size will be doubled. So they like to think profit targets in terms of 10%, although there is no terms in time pressure to actually reach that goal. Audacity don't actually charge any commissions or any swaps for their trading, and they do have a very low spread as well. Although you can hold positions overnight with Audacity, you technically cannot hold them over the weekend, but you can get around this if you actually email them directly and request that you are able to hold over the weekends, because it does say that their risk management team make exceptions if you get in touch with them. So they do seem to be quite flexible and supportive. They don't actually have any minimum active trading days. So once you join an account with Audacity, you're not under pressure to have to trade and you're not under pressure to have to meet targets. All you've got to do is respect their risk rules, respect that you can't hit more than 10% drawdown, otherwise your account is basically void. And that's pretty much it. So they can provide a lot of flexibility and they can provide a more relaxing way into trading. But in return for that, you are paying a monthly subscription basis for that account. So how much exactly is it to have an account with Audacity? Well, they charge a one-off joining fee of £199, and then you also have to pay for each month that you are using the trading account, which is £99 a month. So if you decide to join an account with Audacity Capital, the first month is going to be £298 to create your account and to trade the first month. From then, each month will basically cost £99 per month. In addition to that, they do take a 50-50 profit split. So it feels like they're taking quite a lot of money out of you in the beginning, but what are they providing you in return? Well, they're giving you access to a funded trading account with no deadlines and no hard goals, no minimum days that you need to trade. So it can provide a more relaxing approach to trading. And they're also providing an interesting growth program, which means if you are consistently making profits but you are struggling with the capital needed to actually make money as a trader, this could be a pretty interesting option for you, because if you are able to replicate your trading style to consistently make profits, you have the ability to really grow your account with Audacity Capital all the way up to $480,000. So how does it work? How can you create an account with Audacity Capital? Well, to get started, you have to complete their form from their website to send your interest into a funded trading account. They'll then get back to you and ask you a couple of questions about your trading style. They might even want to do an email interview with you just to get some more information. But once they've got a little bit more information from you, they'll send you an invoice, and it's quite a quick process to be able to set your account up from there. When it comes to trading prop firms, there's quite a lot of options to go with, and I hope that this video helps to share a little bit more information about Audacity Capital and the pros and cons that they offer as a prop firm. If you want some more information about Audacity Capital, I have included a link below in the description that will take you to their website. If you've enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks guys, bye!